Good morning friends. Today we are going to be learn about what are properties in C Sharp. In C Sharp, properties are a powerful feature that can get control over access to the fields or set the value to the fields. In C Sharp, properties are members of a class or a struct that provide a way to access and modify the values of private fields, often referred to as a backing fields. They act as a combination of methods, getters and setters, but with a cleaner and more concise syntax. Properties allow you to encapsulate data, enabling better control over how data is accessed or modified. A property typically has get accessor to return the value of a private field, set accessor to assign a value to a private field. Let's dive into the code to see that. See, here we have a class name called person. In the person, we have a private backing field name and we have a property called name. See the property, the name, the first letter should be capital, and private backing field, the the first letter should be small letter. See, in property we have a one is get accessor and another one is set accessor. And see, in get accessor returns the value of a private backing field. In set accessor assign the value to the private backing field. In a shortcut way, we can write above code like this. See, we have a class person2, so we can write above code in a shortcut like this. Public string name, we have to set get accessor, set accessor. This is called as a auto implemented property. And now we have another class name is called person3. So when we want to read only the property of name, we have to use only get accessor. And when we want to write only property of name, then we have to add a private backing field. Then in the property we have to add only set accessor, and in the name field we have to assign the value. So in this way we can read only property with using of get accessor, and we can write only using the property of set accessor. Now we'll see the example with validation. Here we have a class name called person1. We have a private backing field age, and we have a property called age. In age we have a get accessor that returns the age, and in set accessor we are having a validation. If value less than 0, we have to throw exception that age cannot be negative, and if value greater than 0, then assign a value to age. Now so benefits of using properties. Encapsulation, the number one most important point is encapsulation. Properties help in hiding the internal details and allow controlled access to them. And the second point is data validation. You can add logic to the set accessor to validate data before it's stored in the field. Read only or write only data. Properties give you control over whether the data is read only or write only based on your design requirements. So friends, this is called properties in C Sharp. Thank you.